Hello creators, these videos look incredibly good. They're highly eye-catching and they're
Jingle!
honestly a great niche to start creating content in right now. You've definitely seen these mixed reality POV mascot videos blowing up all over social media right now. This brand new Instagram page has just started posting this one exact style content and already gained millions of followers. Some of their videos have already reached 4.6 million, 3.2 million, and 1.2 million views. Now watch what I personally created with AI in just 5 minutes. First, I've already created a master prompt for you guys. Comment POV and I will share you prompt link. Once you have it, copy the entire master prompt and make sure you copy every single part of it. Don't skip anything. Now open Claude AI or ChatGPT. I will prefer ChatGPT this time. Then paste your entire master prompt into the prompt box and hit send. And in just a few seconds, ChatGPT will instantly output 10 viral POV scenario ideas. Pick the idea you like. I picked number 2 idea, so I simple type 2 and now choose your video duration and decide whether you want ChatGPT to design an original mascot or use your own reference character. Type it in prompt box and hit enter. Just like that, ChatGPT gives us an extremely detailed video prompt that's ready to use. Mentioned every scene in details with proper camera angles. Once you have it, just copy the entire video prompt. Now, time to generate video. Head over to Google Flow AI. Now directly switch to video generation mode. Our prompt is extremely detailed. Let's do some video setting first. Select your frame as ingredients and aspect ratio to 9:16. Make sure you select the Omni Flash video model. Set your video duration to 10 seconds. Set your video outputs to more than 1. This gives you extra options to pick the best result. Now paste your full copied prompt directly into the field and hit generate. Now, who wants to use reference image upload in Google Flow and add it prompt, and it will gen video with your reference character. In just a couple of minutes, your viral mixed reality, music, POV video is completely rendered and ready to post. Now take a look. Both videos look extremely good. And the best part is that by using this exact same workflow, you can create many different types of variations. You can experiment with different objects, different combinations, and different concepts and create an entire library of unique hybrid videos using the same simple workflow. Let's watch full result together.
Kiko!
Make sure to check out my other videos. So if you found this useful, make sure you subscribe channel, Hyman Hub, and drop a like if this helped you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.